Welcome, thank you for joining me. We are going straight to the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you my take on a simple seafood okra. So I'm going to be using okra here. I have mushroom, two mackerel, periwinkle. So make sure you clean out your periwinkle, take off those black stuff that is always here. And here I have baby scallops, shrimp. So you can use any combination of seafood you want. Here I have dry fish, blended crayfish, palm oil, spinach, spring onions, regular onions, cayenne pepper, chicken stock powder, salt, and some uziza seeds. So I'm going to start right away by cooking my mackerel and the dry fish, and then I'll add the other things as we go. Don't forget now to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So for my swallow today, I'm going to be using a combination of pounded yam powder and coconut flour. So if you get 1 cup of your pounded yam, you can add 2 cups of coconut flour. This is going to add as my binding ingredient, and then coconut has 0 calories and is very high in fiber, so this is really healthy and good. If you do not want to add any of the pounded yam flour at all, then you need something to bind your coconut flour together. So you need something like psyllium husk. That way it's going to come together. If you make it by itself, it's going to separate and don't come together. So I just have my water boiling right now. We're going to go straight to show you how you make this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Here we have it. Our food is ready. Very simple, tastes really yummy. Give it a try. Let me know how you find it. And the coconut swallow, it's really healthy, like I said. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification. That way you see new videos I release every week. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day.